Are you looking for the best vacuum cleaners? In this video we will look at some of the best vacuum cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. iRobot Roomba i4. This intelligent vacuum takes cleaning to a whole new level with its 20% larger battery, ensuring extended runtime compared to its Roomba i-series counterparts. What sets the Roomba i4 apart is its Imprint smart mapping technology, powered by iRobot OS. This feature allows the vacuum to learn and personalize your cleaning preferences. You're in control, directed to clean specific rooms on a schedule or in the spur of the moment. Equipped with a robust 3-stage cleaning system, the Roomba i4 effortlessly tackles dust, dirt, and pesky debris, including pet hair. Its precision cleaning style moves in tidy rows, intelligently navigating around furniture for a thorough clean. No need to worry about interruptions either. When the i4 needs to recharge, it seamlessly resumes right where it left off, ensuring a complete cleaning session. Number 2. iRobot Roomba i4 Plus. The iRobot Roomba i4 Plus. Picture this, a sleek, efficient cleaning powerhouse that's not just smart but also considerate enough to clean up after itself. First things first, it boasts a 20% larger battery compared to its Roomba i-series companions, ensuring an extended runtime for more thorough cleaning sessions. One of its standout features is its ability to empty its vacuum bin autonomously. Say goodbye to the hassle of manually emptying the debris. This Roomba takes care of it for you, depositing the dirt into an enclosed bag that can hold up to 60 days of filth. That's 2 whole months of blissful ignorance towards vacuuming. Number 3. Shark NV352. The Shark NV352 vacuum in celebration of our special day. Let me break down the overview for you. The Shark NV352, whether it's made in the USA or imported, packs a punch in terms of functionality. One standout feature is the lift-away functionality, which lets you detach the pod for easy cleaning in above-floor areas like stairs and furniture. For those concerned about allergies, the anti-allergen complete seal technology is a game changer. It works in tandem with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum, ensuring a thorough clean. Power and portability go hand in hand with this vacuum. It boasts powerful suction for deep cleaning carpets and handling bare floors. Despite its robust performance, the Shark NV352 remains lightweight, making it a breeze to carry around. Number 4. SEBO 9687M. The SEBO 9687M. It's like the powerhead superstar of vacuum cleaners. Durable, check. Maneuverable, double check. And let's not forget the technical prowess. 4-level manual brush height adjustment is like the VIP treatment for your floors. The suction adjustment switch on the handle is pure genius, giving you the power, literally, at your fingertips. With a 32-foot operating range and a 20-foot cord, you've got the flexibility to reach those tricky spots without the hassle of constant unplugging. And oh, the full bag or clock light is a game changer. No more guesswork. It's like the vacuum reads your mind. Number 5. Miele 41 XFO40 USA. The Miele 41 XFO40 USA vacuum. Imagine enjoying the ultimate cleaning experience with a vacuum that's not just powerful but also convenient. This cleaning powerhouse boasts high suction power, ensuring it tackles dirt and dust with ease. With a large cleaning radius, it covers more ground, making your cleaning routine a breeze. And for those furry friends at home, the turbo brush is there to tackle pet hair like a pro. But that's not all. The Parquet Twister floor head takes care of your hard floors gently, leaving them spotless. But wait, there's more. The Miele 41 XFO40 USA comes with a complete array of accessories to cater to all your cleaning needs. The SBB Parquet 3 floor head is perfect for giving your hardwood floors some tender loving care. The STB 353 TurboTech Turbo Brush floor head is designed for low to medium pile carpets, ensuring a thorough clean.